Welcome to Tokenized Living. Remember, all content shared here is for educational purposes only. Enjoy responsibly. Welcome to our channel. Today we explore tokenization and debunk common myths. Let's get started. You might hear people saying tokenization is just the flavor of the month, another tech fad that's going to disappear quickly. But this is far from the truth. Tokenization represents a shift in how we own and trade assets. It's about changing the entire game. Efficiency, transparency, and accessibility like never before. This is a long-term game changer. Many think you need to be a coding whiz or a blockchain guru to understand tokenization. The tech can seem intimidating at first, but it's designed for everyday people. Platforms are user-friendly and you don't need a computer science degree. If you can use a smartphone, you can navigate tokenization. This one's a biggie. Some think tokenization is in a legal grey area, waiting to be shut down. This isn't true. Tokenization is legal in many parts of the world, and governments are working on regulations for a clear framework. It's about integrating this new tech responsibly. Chapter 4. Myth 4. Tokenization only applies to digital assets. Tokenization often brings cryptocurrencies to mind. It's a big part of the crypto world, but it's not limited to digital assets. Real-world assets like real estate, art, and wine can be tokenized too. This opens up new possibilities for all investors. Chapter 5. Myth 5. Tokenization is highly risky and unreliable. Investments always carry some level of risk. Tokenization is built on blockchain, which is secure and transparent. Do your due diligence and research the platforms. Chapter 6. Myth 6. Only cryptocurrencies can be tokenized. Tokenization goes way beyond cryptocurrencies. It extends to stocks, bonds, and intellectual property. Imagine owning a fraction of a song's copyright. That's the power of tokenization. Chapter 7. Myth 7. Tokenization is expensive. You might think it's crazy expensive, right? But tokenization can actually reduce costs. By cutting intermediaries, it makes transactions more efficient and cost-effective. Chapter 8. Myth 8. Tokenization is not regulated. This is a concern I hear a lot. People assume tokenization is a Wild West with no rules, but regulations are being developed and implemented. Governments recognize the need for a secure environment for tokenization. Chapter 9. Myth 9. Tokenization will replace traditional finance. Tokenization won't wipe out traditional finance. That's not the point. Think of it as a way to complement and improve the system. It offers new opportunities and efficiencies for investors and institutions. Tokenization democratizes investing. Fractional ownership is a game changer, allowing smaller investors to own assets previously out of reach. Some worry that tokenized assets are stuck in digital limbo, difficult to trade or sell. But they can be traded quickly on specialized platforms, often with greater liquidity than traditional markets. Let's address the environmental concerns. Blockchain platforms have been criticized for energy use, but the industry is evolving. Many are transitioning to energy-efficient technologies, focusing on sustainability. Chapter 13. Myth 13. Tokenization is just for finance and real estate. Tokenization's potential extends far beyond finance and real estate. It can be used in art, music, gaming, and supply chain management. The possibilities are vast. Chapter 14. Myth 14. Tokenization does not add any real value. Some skeptics say tokenization is just a fancy way of doing things we already do. It's about making things smoother, faster, and more efficient. Increased liquidity, enhanced transparency, and improved security. These are tangible benefits that add real value. Chapter 15. Myth 15. Tokenization is too complicated. Blockchain, fractional ownership, and digital assets can seem overwhelming at first, but the industry is evolving to be more user-friendly. Platforms are making tokenization simpler for everyday investors. Outro, thanks for watching! 15 common tokenization myths debunked. Tokenization is more than just a buzzword. It can revolutionize various industries. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time!